We're here for another edition of the Outlook series, and I'm your host, Mike Lippis. Stakeholders across the enterprise are looking to enable Industry 4.0 with value stream delivery. Consequently, enterprises need to automate the workflows for cloud-based software as a service. But cloud-based SaaS platforms with diverse functionality are unfortunately often siloed across multiple tools, platforms, and solutions. To meet this challenge, leading firms are leveraging a new cloud-based SaaS platform with an architecture that supports DevOps, DevSecOps, legacy application lifecycle management with low-code application platform functions to allow for easy drag-and-drop customization for simple changes. Now joining us to discuss value stream delivery for Industry 4.0 enablement is Akshay Sharma. Akshay is the CTO of Kovair Software. Akshay Sharma, welcome to the Outlook series.
Thanks, Michael.
Hey there, Akshay. Nice to have you guys back again. Now, as the CTO for Kovair, and you've been there over 3 years as a tech advisor and a CTO, what would you say are the key benefits of using Kovair's value stream management and delivery platform for helping transition enterprises towards Industry 4.0?
Thanks for the question, Michael. Let's first define Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the information-intensive transformation of manufacturing and related industries in a connected environment of big data, people, processes, services, systems, and IoT-enabled industrial assets with the generation, leveraging, and utilization of actionable data and information as a way and means to realize smart industry and ecosystems of industrial innovation and collaboration. One could argue, we've gone through many revolutions, industrial revolutions in the past. We had the steam engine, then we had the combustion engine in Industrial Revolution 2.0. You could argue with cloud and data. We've got the search engine, Industry 3.0. Now with Industry 4.0, I predict the workflow engine is going to be the next key enabler. Kovair is uniquely positioned for Industry 4.0 service enablement and management. First, Kovair's PPM, Project and Portfolio Management solution, within its VSMP solution set, can provide stakeholders a unified platform to manage budgets, schedules, resources, risk and hazard management, and field data through a single interface, along with revenue management and the logistics of payment and invoice management, which is always needed in any industrial setting. Secondly, Kovair allows IT to develop its software as a product using Kovair DevOps and ALM solutions, manage the delivery of it using Kovair CI/CD functions, continuous integration and continuous delivery functions, in the cloud or on-prem, manage the lifecycle of the product, ideate its APIs and process workflows to the product with Kovair's Gartner Cool Vendor Awarded Omnibus as an enterprise service bus to the product, with role-based and policy controls, and now provide revenue management functions too within Kovair's VSMP solutions. Thirdly, Kovair's VSMP, Value Stream Management Platform, and VSDP, Value Stream Delivery Platform, PPM, Project and Portfolio Management for DevSecOps, and Omnibus as a iPaaS, an integration platform as a service, helps enables clients automate and seamlessly manage their workflows, helping enable Industry 4.0 with product lifecycle management, governance, and process compliance all seamlessly integrated. Kovair's value proposition for Industry 4.0 is Kovair manages all flows using open communication standards and exposes the data through standard APIs and web services with security engineered in. Kovair solutions enable the development of business applications and business analytics software on top of Enterprise Service Bus middleware, which can compute the information collected from millions of devices, enable newer services with drag-and-drop agility of certified solutions within a workflow engine.
Now, Akshay, when it comes to software teams, how do they embark on this journey transitioning to Industry 4.0?
Good question, Michael. The recommendations for CIOs, CTOs, and IT leaders include the following. First, they need to form an Industry 4.0 tiger team structure that identifies the volume, variety, and velocity of data from systems, business processes, and internal data lakes, and then the team can capture what industrial applications are needed, as well as performance and resiliency requirements, and where these need to run. Second, they need to identify all the data sources in motion and at rest, where and how it flows, the workflows, the processes, the networks it runs over, where it will be used and consumed while protecting data privacy and addressing security vulnerabilities. A firewall alone is insufficient. Role-based access controls, zero-trust network access methods, and secure encryption of all data with policy-controlled APIs need to be implemented. Third, newer innovations can be explored, like advanced risk management through appropriate risk management analysis by building valid data models and scenarios with resiliency and backup plans identified, supply chains, logistics, etc. This can be accomplished through product lifecycle management with risk and hazard management, along with the development of digital twins of processes, product and user behavior patterns, as well as for societal and environmental risk awareness, and applying newer AI, ML, or predictive analytics to anticipate needs and mitigate when needed. Fourth, monetization. Monetize data, people, processes, services, as well as APIs in newer B2B systems by including contextualization of data exchanges to fuel the right data models together with the right business models. Data and analytics governance for industry organizations engaging in Industry 4.0 and its ecosystems can harness the full value of information assets, including newer APIs. Once the Industry 4.0 team is formed and the internal software solutions are identified for those needing localized edge computing support due to ultra-low latency requirements and resiliency requirements, these solutions can be made into 5G edge computing cloud-based products provided as a service. Some applications will be legacy ALM-based, the old classic waterfall model, like on-prem embedded systems. And some can be externally cloud-based in the public cloud offerings. And if external B2B APIs are needed to be developed, whether it's B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to consumer, these APIs must be made secure, process compliant, with the correct dashboards, with the correct workflows, with role-based policy controls to ensure the correct usage is occurring, ideally with disaster recovery as a service built in, all of which Kovair provides and enables. Mm-hmm. Typically, Industry 4.0 will require industrial applications like SAP for logistics, or for industrial engineering solutions may require solutions from Dassault Systems, Siemens Teamcenter, PTC Windchill, AirS Innovator. All of this can be provided with Kovair's Omnibus as an iPaaS, as an integration platform as a service, Enterprise Service Bus, which allows for pre-built integrations to hundreds of applications like SAP, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Cisco App Dynamics, as well as internally built applications at major organizations like leading government agencies, Fortune 1000 firms, as well as smaller enterprises, with additional benefits including process controls with dashboards and metrics, workflows including revenue management, security with resiliency built in for inter-application delivery of services. All of this should enable a better collaborative environment for better quality, better productivity, better security, and support for better operational resiliency.
Now, Akshay, monetization, as you mentioned before, is often key to digital transformation and is imperative in Industry 4.0. So, how can firms increase revenue with their Industry 4.0 program? And what are some of the different business models out there?
Michael, enterprises are transforming with digital transformation, moving to the cloud, looking at industrial IoT, looking at newer solutions like AI, ML, e-kiosks, mobile applications, e-commerce. But this will fall flat if monetization and revenue management is neglected. This key critical capability needs to be addressed as they look to transition to Industry 4.0 within newer business models. Enterprises can charge their customers using their solutions in different ways. They can charge for the final product like buying a car or a truck, charge per transaction, which is analogous to a usage fee like taking an Uber or a taxi, charge by a subscription model, which is analogous to an annual maintenance agreement or a leasing arrangement, charge API access to their platform as an upsell, or charge for newer updates like what Ford is now charging customers for on-demand logistics services with their Visor announcement with Salesforce, or GM charges for OnStar. Charge based on revenues generated in a rev share approach, which is often like what PPP models are like, public-private partnerships, as in the case of toll roads, where the city and highway construction firms share in the proceeds with the governments. Or perhaps not charge at all, but collect analytics proving increased sales of other products have occurred from the seamless integration or decreased costs from operational efficiencies gained. Kovair can provide the dashboards to help manage the revenue management and payment processing in this journey. Kovair's PPM solution delivers greater value to the organizations by connecting the entire life cycle from planning to execution. It enables IT leaders to optimize their product portfolios, manage the capacity of resources against the demands raised from different projects, and connects plans and resources to the actual project execution. The Kovair PPM solution within its VSMP solution set not only provides complete visibility across the entire value stream, but also provides complete visibility of the delivery lifecycle from the quintuple perspectives of revenues, risk, resource, time, and cost to the C-level executives, as well as to the stakeholders of the projects through role-based real-time reporting with dashboards.
Now, thanks a lot there, Akshay. Now, but to wrap up, what are the implications to business leaders for Kovair's value stream management and delivery platform for Industry 4.0 that was recently announced?
Thanks, Michael. There are many competing siloed VSMP, VSDP solutions, as well as many siloed Industry 4.0 solutions in the marketplace. Some with industrial applications, some with data lakes and data migration solutions, some with API middleware prepackaged with low-code, no-code configuration capabilities, some with siloed ALM, application lifecycle management tool support, and some with DevOps tools. Support to migrate to cloud applications. A lot of them have dashboard and analytics data, data lakes and repositories, but only Kovair packages all of the above within one framework with workflow automation functions, as well as product lifecycle management functions for not only technical leaders, but business leaders as well. Only Kovair uniquely offers all of the above with revenue management and payment invoice management as an added capability.
Now, thanks a lot, Akshay. Any final thoughts, and where can our audience get more information on improving business models with Kovair's value stream management and delivery platform for Industry 4.0?
Thanks, Michael. www.kovair.com has a wealth of information there. One final thought I would highlight from Kovair.com. People can try Kovair on the cloud as a proof of concept trial and try before you buy. Kovair can support remote management via dashboards showing all of the process metrics and statuses to be visualized in real time, and provides remote control of workflow pipelines via email with role-based policy controls. It supports multiple databases across hybrid multi-clouds, including 5G edge clouds. And Kovair's workflow process engine is unique with task-based models, which supports concurrency, which is more representative of real-world teams, as teams are likely working on multiple tasks concurrently and remotely across different environments. These are challenging times now, but with newer solutions and newer thinking, hopefully this will all be alleviated with better solutions from platform providers like Kovair, as we discussed. Hopefully the result is better harmony within IT teams and better business outcomes from innovations by Kovair. So hopefully this is a game changer.
Yeah, I definitely think it is. And I'd like to thank you, Akshay, for joining us here for another edition of the Outlook series, and wish you the best of luck with your future endeavors over there at Kovair Software.
Thanks, Michael.
Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to log on to the Outlook series site for your business and technology news.